Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. So got a clarification video here. I went back and re-listened to the first video I posted on meme cryptocurrency. So there's a section in the first video where I talk about these, and it makes it seem like both of these are not based on blockchains. Well, Doge is its own blockchain. Shib is a token that sits on the Ethereum blockchain. But my main purpose in that video was just to show that even though they don't really have a utility or purpose. They're basically just sitting there. So many people know that Doge was created as kind of like a joke to show everybody how easy it was to copy or replicate the Bitcoin blockchain with some different coding. Now, is it functional? Absolutely. But to my knowledge, I don't know if they even have a white paper out to show the founders and what they're going to do with it. And as of now, I think there's been little to no updates to it. So nothing's really going on with the Doge blockchain now. Do they have a pretty strong community backing it? I would say yeah, absolutely. But again, because it's not serving a function or utility, it's basically just going to sit there, and its price is controlled by its social media popularity. Same thing with Shib, right? It's got the capability to do DeFi and NFT type of transactions, but it's just sitting there. Now, again, Shib is a token that sits on the Ethereum blockchain, and again, they're really not doing anything. Now, another thing to consider that affects the pricing and value of cryptocurrencies, or for that matter, just about anything, is, well, just how much of it is there to buy and sell. Let's take Bitcoin, for example. There's only going to be 21 million of them out there, and it's been out for quite a while, so the demand is super high for Bitcoin. Now, Doge and Shib, I don't know the exact number, but there are a lot out there. As a result, you can buy a whole bunch of Shib for super cheap. Now, if it moves just a little bit, because I don't know, maybe some celebrity buys a whole bunch, that might be enough to get it up to a penny. And if you own enough, you could stand to make a lot of money. But again, not investment advice. You got to decide what's right for you. Well, all right, guys, once again, that's just a quick clarification video. Doge is its own blockchain. Shib is a token that's resting on top of the Ethereum blockchain. So do they have utility? Not really, but do they have the potential? Absolutely. Guys, thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.